More additional problem. Find integral x by root of 1 minus x dx. See, in this problem, I is equal to integral of x by root of 1 minus x dx. Now put x is equal to sine square theta. So dx by d theta is 2 sine theta and sine theta differentiation is cos theta and d theta. Now this is equal to integral sine square theta by root of 1 minus sine square theta into 2 sine theta cos theta d theta. Now root of 1 minus sine square theta is cos theta. So this is equal to integral sine square theta by cos theta into 2 sine theta cos theta d theta. These two cancel. This is equal to 2 sine cube theta d theta. Sine square theta into sine theta is sine cube theta. So now we have to substitute sine cube theta value. See, we know that sine 3 theta is equal to 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. See, 4 sine cube theta is equal to 3 sine theta minus sine 3 theta. So this multiply and divide by 2, 1 by 2 times 4 sine cube theta d theta. This is replaced by this value. So 1 by 2 times integral 3 sine theta minus sine 3 theta d theta. This is half 3 common integral sine theta d theta minus integral sine 3 theta d theta. Now half of 3 cos theta but minus plus cos 3 theta by this is 3. So now half of minus 3 cos theta, cos 3 theta is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta by 3. So take 1 by 3 common. So 1 by 6 of minus 9 cos theta plus 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. This is 1 by 6 of 4 cos cube theta minus 12 cos theta. We know that sin theta is equal to x square. So what is cos theta? Cos theta is equal to root of 1 minus sin square theta, or sin square theta is equal to x. This is root of cos theta is equal to 1 minus x. So now sin square, here actually x square is equal to sin theta, x is equal to sin square theta. Now so sin square theta is equal to x root of 1 minus x. This we can write 1 by 6 4 times root 1 minus x whole cube minus 12 times root of 1 minus x. So, this can be written now 2 2 ja 2 3 ja 2 by third 1 minus x whole to the power of 3 by 2 minus 2 root of 1 minus x plus constant of integration. Additional problem. Evaluate integral of dx by x plus 5 root of x plus 4 dx. Already dx is there, need not be written. Okay. So, these two are the linear factors. 1 by ax plus b root of px plus q is there. You say px plus q is equal to t square, then you can find out the integration. So, now I is equal to integral dx by x plus 5 root of x plus 4. Let us say x plus 4 is equal to t square, x is equal to t square minus 4. Now, differentiate, dx is equal to 2t dt. Now, substituting, this becomes integral 1 by x plus 4 is equal to t square. What is the value of x plus 5? Could you expect it? Yes, x plus 5 can be written x plus 4 plus 1. So, that becomes t square plus 1 into this root of t square is t into dx is replaced by 2t dt. T gets cancelled. Now, 2 common, integral of 1 by 1 plus t square dt. This is standard formula, 2 tan inverse t. So, now since x plus 4 is equal to t square, what is t? Root of x plus 4. So, this equals to 2 tan inverse root x plus 4 plus constant of integration.